Welcome to the KOOB Academy Learning Hub. Whether you're a tour operator designing unforgettable trips or a DMC managing bookings and optimizing distribution, KOOB Academy is your go-to learning space. It's built to help you master the platform from trip creation and hotel bookings to experience management and performance analysis. Explore step-by-step tutorials, short video lessons, and real-world use cases to guide you at every stage. Whether you're getting started or refining your skills, everything you need is right here. Learn at your pace, find practical solutions, and empower your team to work better, faster, and smarter. Welcome aboard. Your KOOB journey starts now.